What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? There's a piggy. Josh, the Pez guy here on the PEZHead channel. There's a Donald. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Chupa. Now then, all right, let's go ahead and straight up read it and get right into it. In 1835, Cincinnati was the nation's chief pork packing center. Pigs were herded through the streets, 100 at a time, on their ways to the slaughterhouses. Pigs have been a humorous mascot of Cincinnati, nicknamed Porkopolis, ever since. Now, this particular package, this item, is from the Cincinnati area PEZHeads. If you look at the back, it's got a little pigtail. And on the front, it's got a little pig face. That is so cool. Comes with 2 packs of candy. This was given away at their list party at PEZmania 15 in 2005. Here you can see the front of the stem is also printed up. This is a extremely cool PEZ dispenser given to me by somebody as a gift because now the pig is kind of my thing. So this is something that's extremely cool. I really appreciate that. I'm going to have to keep it over here by Donald for a little bit. Yeah, very cool. So until next time.